Hi Jimmy, I've come to Pickard Hardware today because I can't lift up the handle of my UPVC front door. What do I need to do?
So the first thing you need to do is you need to open the door, and when you've opened the door you need to lift the lever up to make sure that it's throwing all the bolts out, which it does here and here and there. If that's working, then that means that there's a problem with the keeps on the frame and it'll require an adjustment. But that's fairly simple to do, and if it requires the adjustment of the keeps, then there should be no issues. The next step, if that doesn't work, is to remove the cylinder. There's a retaining screw there which you need to take out first, and then when you put the key in, you turn it from depending on the lock, you'll turn it slightly from either a 3 o'clock to a 4 o'clock position, so you can remove the cylinder. And once you've removed the cylinder, you need to try and make sure it does a full rotation and that there's nothing gripping against it, there's no problems. If it's turning fully, then the cylinder's not the issue, and that means that there is an issue with the full door bolt strip. If the issue is with the door bolt strip, then we ask that you bring it down to us, as we will need to take various measurements to check and see what door bolt it is and if we have replacements. The first thing we do is we'll check whether it's the hooks or if it's the centre case that's an issue. If it's the hooks that are the issue, then we will require or we need to order a brand new door bolt, as the hooks can't be replaced. If the hooks are working fine, it means that there's a problem in the gearbox which we can replace. So unfortunately there's 10 or 20 different suppliers, so we can't keep everything in stock and we may have to order something, but we can replace them here and we'll do it for no charge, and hopefully once we've replaced it or we've had to order it, you'll leave here with a fully working door bolt and you won't have any further issues.
Brilliant, thanks so much for that. So what would I do if I can't lift the handle up when it's closed and I can't unlock the door?
If you can't unlock the door, then unfortunately that means that the door bolt has failed while in the locked position, and we won't be able to help you with that, and unfortunately you will require to call out a locksmith and they'll help you replace it.
Right, thank you, cheers.
No problem at all.